Hello. So, welcome to this Funnel Reveal Friday. And today I'm going to show you something special which has played a very important role in our growth for the past 6 months. That is creating an affiliate funnel. Okay, creating an affiliate funnel where your audience or your prospects or your customers can actually promote your product or service, and they don't even have to install any complicated software. They don't have to do any of those complicated stuff. All you need to do is to create a WhatsApp group, and that WhatsApp group will become your affiliate area. I'm going to walk you through everything, but let me just ask you guys, okay, if you're able to hear me, type hi in the comment section, and so that I know that I'm live and I'm audible. You are able to see and hear me clearly. Okay, so we'll be getting started very fast. Okay, yeah. Okay, Narendra says hi. Okay, able to hear me, guys? Okay, thanks for that confirmation, Narendra. Okay, so that I know that someone is actually able to see me. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what is that you need to do, okay, when you want to create an affiliate funnel. Okay, what is that you have to create, and how is this going to play an important role in whatever you're trying to do. All right, okay, so please confirm so that I can go ahead and share my screen and show you the goodies. All right, I just want a confirmation by typing yes, and so that I can go ahead and share my screen and give you all the things I've learned in the past here. Okay, so the WhatsApp affiliate funnel. Okay. So what I do is I tell people that they can earn, okay, the WhatsApp affiliate funnel, right? So what I actually do is I have a lot of products. Okay? I have a lot of products, and what I do is I make it look like a lucrative opportunity. The reason people promote you as an affiliate is not that they want to promote. Okay, they want to earn money. Okay, so they want to earn money, and that's the reason they promote you. Okay, so what I have is a great, beautiful affiliate program where you guys can okay, I'll just tell you exactly like how our affiliate program works, so that you guys can mirror that. Sandhya says, I made 2,500 friends with your strategy, hoping to make some money out of it soon, says Sandhya. Amazing. So all the strategies that I give you guys, it works. It is always tested with what we do. Okay, it is always simple. It is always say WhatsApp or something very simple. Okay, we don't actually recommend any complicated stuff, because the more skills you have to learn, right, the more. Okay, so I think why affiliates will promote you. Okay. So what is their PMF? Okay, the PMF stands for, this is from my consultant, okay, Prime, okay, Prime Motivating Factor. Anyone here want an extra? Okay, anyone here want an extra 5,000 for their festival purchases? They want to earn an extra 1,000 per day. Okay, by promoting a proven product. Okay, so the thing that the prime motivating factor of people is this. So what I do is I have two levels of my affiliate program. Okay, two levels of my two levels. Okay. In my first level, right, I have a rupees 499 product, okay. And what I do is I give away rupees 350 or 70% commissions. Okay, so this has to be very lucrative. Okay, 70%. Okay. I give 70% commission to my people at rupees 499, and what I do is in my higher level program, right, 15K program, I give between 20 to 30% commissions. Okay, so what happens is, right, people are earning. Okay? People can earn if they do it correctly. They'll be able to earn between 3,000 to 3,000 to rupees. 4,500. They can earn this. Okay, so this is why people actually promote you. It is not because they want to promote your product, right? They want to earn extra cash, which they can use for festival, which they can use for their own marketing, their own advertising. Okay, people are basically getting this money because they can put it back into their funnel. Okay, so you have to attend. Okay, affiliates don't promote because just they want to promote, right? You need to make a relationship with them. So the strategy is this. Okay, the strategy is that. Okay, You need to give them, you need to maintain a relationship, and need to make it, you have to give the training to them, right? Only if you develop a relationship with them and do a training with them, you can do this. For example, what I do is from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I actually like meet at 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. for my affiliates, so that I can give them the templates and whatever, right? I do that, okay? Every week. If you don't actually, so all these two things, right? So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 4:30 p.m. for my affiliates. So I actually dedicate this time because relationship and training is what actually makes this work. Okay? If you don't train them, then they are not going to like promote anything. So this is what it is. So what I do is I actually use the power of WhatsApp. Okay, the tool that I use for this is WhatsApp. And I'm going to show you everything that okay, tools. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Okay, okay, WhatsApp and InstaMojo. Okay, these are the tools. I'm going to okay, I'm going to like I'm going to tell you like exactly how I do this. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So here. Okay, I'm going to like go into this. Okay, WhatsApp and InstaMojo. Okay, so here I'm going to like stop my screen. Okay, and I'm going to like share my screen again. Okay, and I'm going to show you my actual WhatsApp club. Okay, here, okay, here you can see my actual WhatsApp club here. Okay, so here you can see here, right? Okay, so I have this affiliates. Okay, the affiliates thing. Okay, so here you can see here, right? This is my affiliate club. Okay, binge marketing affiliates. Okay, sign up as an affiliate for the binge marketing 5-day workshop and win exciting prizes. Sign up here. Okay, 3stories.net/binge affiliates. Every day, in addition to the 70% affiliate commissions on the rupees 499 product, the top 3 affiliates will earn the following prizes, right? Okay, first prize Amazon Echo Dot, second prize first year. Okay, and 3. Okay, you can see that I have a link for people to sign up, and I have a link which people use to actually book a call with me, and they actually, okay, so basically you actually maintain the whole WhatsApp group. Okay, you actually give them everything for promotion, everything, right? Everything in this particular group. Okay, and I also have a document, okay, where I actually give people everything that they need. For example, everything that they need for them to actually promote our product, right? I have this document. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you this document. I'm going to show you my image, etc., and I'm going to show this to you. Okay. All right. Here you can. I just show you your show you the. So what I do is I actually created trainings. I create trainings which where people get templates, where people get a lot of stuff for them to promote this. I'm going to like show this to you. Okay, so here, so what I do is you can see here, okay, sign up for InstaMojo individual account and get your affiliate link here. Bitly to shorten your affiliate links and track your links. These are the videos you can give free to people. Okay, I give them free videos for them to promote in their promote, and I just give them how exactly they can add a lot of friends from other groups, and you should be able to like get rupees 1K to 2K daily once you finish your content network. So you can see here, right? This is how you actually like give them step-by-step information, right? How to search for a particular thing, how to add people, and how to create their cover pick, and how to like promote the product, right? So everything is in detail explained here. And here, okay, get 3 videos by joining this WhatsApp group, and also I give them exactly what is the instruction, like how to add friends from different groups, and how to keep your cover pick, how to actually optimize your profile, and how to ping everyone who accepts a friend. Okay, I give them all the things that they require for them to actually earn rupees 1K to 2K on a daily basis. Is a book. Okay, so I give them a lot of stuff for people to do this stuff, and this is the whole promotions, guys. Okay. Okay, here I tell them exactly how to create a WhatsApp group. Okay, I basically tell them to create a WhatsApp group and promote this product. So here all the instructions they need to actually like promote my product is given in detail in this. Okay, I'm not going to explain this because this is not the time for it. But basically, I give them a lot of templates, a lot of materials, so that they can actually like do this with ease. Okay, that's the first step. Now I will click this affiliates. Okay, click this binge affiliates. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you. Okay, so how exactly I do this here. Right. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, and I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you the application window again. Okay. So the WhatsApp affiliate funnel. Okay, the WhatsApp affiliate funnel workflow here. Okay. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you. Okay, so you actually can click on this link. Okay, you just need to have an InstaMojo account. Okay, InstaMojo account, and you will be able to like get this. For example, you can just use InstaMojo and you can enable affiliate commissions. For example, this is my product, which is ₹499, and I'm giving 70% commissions here. Okay, all people need to do is click on login. Okay, and they have to like use. Okay. Then okay, so the moment I do this, right, I'm able to get your subscription approved. Okay, and they can go to the dashboard. Okay, they can go to the dashboard, and they should be able to like see this. Okay, they should be able to see a tab called reseller, and in this reseller tab, right, they can they can go and see. Okay, they can go and see in the reseller dashboard. Okay, how much percentage they're going to get commission, and they can just click on this share link, and they can copy this link, and they can use this promotion. So with just an InstaMojo account, and with just a WhatsApp group, you can mobilize an army of affiliates, right, who can sell the product for you, because you can only reach so many people with your advertising. And because of this, right, you will be able to do this in a much faster way. The basic thing here is to create funnels. They create a lot of materials for them, so that they actually can use this, and they can get things going very fast. Your job is to supply them with a lot of materials. So type clear in the comment section if you are clear with the whole process, right? You just need InstaMojo. You just need and you just need to sign up for Zoom, and you have to do the training for people on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, because without the right training, without the right promotional materials, and without the right tools, right, it will take a long time for you to set this up. So Yogini, I actually like talk about this ASAP hour strategy, right, in my program. Okay, the ASAP hour strategy is what she's using. Okay, so Sandhya, you can use the same strategy, and you can use the same strategy for getting all your friends to actually sign up for my WhatsApp class. And for each and every sale you make, you will be making ₹350. So now I'm going to tell you. Okay, so I'm going to reveal a new funnel. Okay, a new funnel which I'm going to like give to people. Okay, so this is the funnel which is going to change the game for all my affiliates. Okay, but I will now show this to you. Okay, here. Okay, I'm going to show you this new game funnel I am going to create for people. Okay, here. So this is the new funnel I'm creating, I think, which is going to change the game for so many people. And my affiliates are going to get this funnel. Okay? Anyone here want to your affiliates to play instead of you trying to sell? Okay? The moment you try to sell, okay, like network marketing, right? The moment you try to sell, right? People don't. Okay. So for example, I'm going to like do this, right? People are now going to play a game. Okay? They're going to play a game. So why India's binge coaches are switching to binge marketing? Okay. Yes, I want to play and win. Okay, so I can see a lot of proof of results. Okay, this is a hot thing here. Okay, so here what I do is, yes, I want to play and win. Okay, and people give their name, email, and phone number, and they play this binge game. Okay, they play this binge game. What I have done is I have gamified the whole funnel because nowadays, right, funnels are getting very boring, very salesy. Okay, I just want to put the fun back into the funnel so that people have a lot of fun, right? For example, please take notes while you watch the video so that you can win prizes on the next page. What is binge marketing and why it is the greatest growth hack ever? Okay, people watch a 6-minute video. It's like playing a game of chess online. Right? Okay, you actually play for 6 minutes, and then you actually win a reward, okay, if you answer the correct question, right? I am ready for winning level 1. Okay, then here if people actually choose this, okay, they will it's a wrong answer, okay, it will come to either, okay, people choose this, right, they will not get the thing, okay. Only when they choose the right answer, okay, they will be getting this bonus, okay, they will be unlocking the level 1 bonus, so they continue to level 2. Then again what they do is they again watch another video of mine, okay, another video of mine where it is just 4 minutes, okay, and they again say I'm ready for winning level 2, okay, I'm ready for winning level 2. And then again if they choose the wrong answer, right, it's not going to go, okay. Only when they choose the right answer they will be like able to get to the next level. So they click on all the above and they continue to level 3. And then the video 3 says why India's best coaches switching to binge marketing. And then again they watch a 6-minute video, it's like the game of chess, and then they click on I'm ready for winning level 3, okay? Again they answer a question and they actually like go to the next level, and they click here to claim your bonuses, okay? The whole thing has been gamified, and then we have an offer for people to take, so you can just promote this, guys, and you'll be able to get a lot of people to sign up for your class, okay? Anyone here excited to use this funnel as an affiliate? Okay, type excited, okay, excited if you are excited for this funnel, which is so the 4th day is the class, Yogini, okay? The 4th day is the ASAP hour strategy, where you add friends from different groups, okay? So here the WhatsApp affiliate funnel, okay, so your job is to like do this, okay, so relationship training and okay, and basically, right, the strategy is just this, okay, they have to add, okay, add 25 friends, okay, from Facebook groups, okay. Have a Facebook profile with a great cover pic, okay, leading to the affiliate materials, okay. And that is a strategy, okay. So if you use this, right, so your affiliates can promote to their own network, okay. The strategy is affiliates can that is the low hanging fruit, promote to their own network. And like organic strategy, okay, is this, okay. And there's also, you can also do paid ads, okay. Paid ads also I can help people to do it, but that is a more risky thing where a lot of factors has to go, but even that will work if you actually have a very good understanding of Facebook ads and make people to come to your WhatsApp group, right? Then you can even drive traffic to a WhatsApp group, okay. All these things works, guys, but if you should know how to do this properly, okay. So that is why the training is so important. So we'll be training you from today evening on this strategy and tools, okay. So that's all from my side, okay. Thanks for your time, okay. Thanks, bye bye.